Billahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Subject kya chi Kashmiri. Class 7th. Topic kya chase sane tariki ki hawal. The emictorium chapter kya paros Kashiri Reth. Yani it put us Angrezi to January, February, March, April, May, and Baharetun now, it approached to Koshiretan now, Test Parunias Mazinias Blessnimas. Yani Asgas Paros Sodium chapter Koshiret Shah Mirza Yel Sathat Twaitr Hijri Maz Tachtas Pet Butte Nav Thon Sultan Shahdin Sultan Shamazdin Aim Kor Koshir San Shuru Yes Sultan Sadrdin Yemis Godnik Now Richan Shah Os Sund Tachtas Behna Pet Yani Satat Putsu Hijri Pet Shuru Karna Av Ye San Road Mughal Ohdastam Chalwan Aim Tho Now Retan Koshir Now Tim Now Yim Yani Yim Koshir Retan Hin Now Yani Wayak number Zush Zet number 3 Kas Har number 4 Kas Shravan number 5 Kas Badr Ret number 6 Kas Ashat number 7 Kas Kartik number 8 Kas Munjhor number 9 Kas Poh number 10 Kas Mag number 11 Phagun number 12 Zitr yani it put Bahan Retan Hundas Angrezi put now January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Timnai Bahan Retan Mansho, no Bah, Magar Namba Retkas Chukushi now sitting Amit dinner. In Gaman Mansho, Yemen Retan Hind now Win Chalan, Magar San no King. In Gaman Mansho went Eminavs Shuru Gasa Kahtikam. Yani Bronkal Ois Eme Sanamujub Prat Treveri Akveri Trova Moose Travan Yani Gaman Mazim Ret Eman Retan Hinav Setosi Mashur Yemen Sanan Mazos Yani Bronkal Ois Eme Sanamujub Prat Tre Veri